Hey everybody, this is a video that I'm going to put on our little band chat app so that instead of typing everything out, I can just sing and show you what I did, and hopefully that helps me as a tutor to put things on a site for you to access as a parent if you need tips and tricks at home, or makes it easier probably for you to understand what I'm trying to talk about. So we'll see if this works. I'm going to try and be quick because I don't think anybody has time to watch a 15-minute video in preparation for next week. So let's start with math. For math, I did mathercise. We have to go through every subject 7 times. So here's the order that I'm going to do it in for the first 6 weeks. We're going to read the skip counting numbers. We're going to snap them. We're going to clap them. We're going to hop them. We are going to do jumping jacks. And then we are going to do military march, which just means I tell the kids we have no knees and no elbows, and we're just going to march like little tin soldiers, okay? The last one, for the 7th one, I let the kids choose. We chant the first 3 times through, so for the reading, the snapping, and the clapping. For the rest of them, we sing the song. So for 1s, there's no song, it's just 1 through 15. For the 2s, the song goes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. Okay, that's math. For Latin this week, we chanted it, and we acted it out with hand motions. Here's what I did. First conjugation, present tense, like it's right now. O, we make a big O. S, we're going to make an S with our arms. And then here's a big decision you have to make. You're either going to be a capital T or a lowercase t. If you're a lowercase t, you can simply put your arms out and leave your head up. But if you're capital T, which we were, you got to get your head to the side so you look like a capital T. Okay? So O, S, T, and then moose, we're going to be a moose. Okay? Tis, and then nt, like we're little ants everywhere for NT, ant. Okay? So that was Latin. Next week we'll repeat that, but we'll sing it as well. For science, we chanted and did a little bit of singing. And I'm going to show you my handy little flyers that I made up. I would send these off to you guys, but I think some of the images might be copywritten and I don't want to get in trouble. But I made these on my home computer. You can kind of see it. So when we went through the different things that God made on each day of creation, we swatted the different pictures that I made. So what occurred on each day of creation: earth, space, time, light, we made an L because I forgot light, sorry, atmosphere, dry land and plants, sun, moon, stars, fish, sea creatures, birds, land animals, Adam and Eve. If you can see Adam and Eve, 2 little people. So when we sang along to it, we did the 12 days of Christmas. So what occurred on each day of creation? Earth, space, time, light, atmosphere, dry land and plants, sun, moon, stars, fish, sea creatures, birds, and land animals, Adam and Eve. Done. Okay? Going on to English, we did the rap, 8 parts of speech, and we also used funny voices. So some of the funny voices that I have include cowboy, or the turtle, where we're really slow, the whisper voice, mouthful of marshmallows. So, okay, so some of those ideas, I love doing those with my kids, and my kids always love them. So we just did, I'll do it in cowboy voice just for fun. 8 parts of speech. 8 parts of speech, woo! 8 parts of speech, 8 parts of speech, woo! Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective, and then repeat. Timeline, the basic hand motions that our campus uses, I think I have most of them correct, and the song. I'll go ahead and just perform that for you. Age of ancient empires, creation to circa 450 AD, creation and the fall, the flood and the Tower of Babel, Mesopotamia and Sumer, Egyptians, 3000 BC, 3000 BC. In this river valley civilization, Minoans and Mycenaeans. Okay? History, we sang and did hand motions as well. I find that that's easiest for history because some of the sentences can be really long, some of them are really short, and we had a much easier time doing those to songs last year than we did to any sort of chants. So that's probably what we're going to do most of the time this year. And CC has some awesome songs. They're really fun, especially these medieval ones so far this year they're pretty fun. I like to dance to them. So this is what we did. We did an 800, okay? And then during, we stirred the medieval period. We made a Pope hat for Pope Leo the Third, okay? Another 3, he crowned Charlemagne. And then we're going to make a cross. Holy Roman Emperor of Europe, okay? In 800, during the medieval period, Pope Leo the Third crowned Charlemagne, Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. And that's it, okay? Lastly, for geography, we did a little song, but we use a method I'm trying it out this year and calling it Trace, Travel, and Sing. We'll see if it works. So the first thing that we do is we are going to trace the different bodies that we're memorizing or geographic points. So North America, we traced it. South America, we traced it or blobbed it. You can call it blobbing it too. Europe, Asia, and Australia. Africa, Antarctica, these are the continents. Okay? And then we just traveled. So go Africa, Asia, Africa, Asia. So we're going to go back and forth. Africa, Asia, Africa, Asia. Australia, North America, Australia, North America, and so on. And just make it random. And then we sing it. So, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, Africa, Antarctica. These are the continents. Okay? And then the oceans. So we go Indian Ocean, and they're going to trace, do a blob. Indian Ocean. Arctic Ocean, all the way up here at the top. Atlantic, it's a long, skinny one. Southern Ocean, and this is new for me. I don't remember learning the Southern Ocean when I was a kid. Southern and Pacific, okay? And then do the same travel technique where you say it and go back and forth. And if your student has a particular entity that he or she is struggling with, then do it over and over. So South America, South America, South America, Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Just point over and over again and say it out loud. And then the song for this goes, Indian, Arctic, Atlantic, Southern, and Pacific are the oceans. Indian, Arctic, Atlantic, Southern, and Pacific oceans. That was it. So that was day 1, or week 1 of CC. It was a blast. I love this class. I am so thrilled about the time that we get to spend together and all the things that we get to learn. If this video is helpful at all, please let me know. If it's terrible and you never want to see my face again, you can let me know too, but don't hurt my feelings too bad. Thank you all for your help and for your kids. They're a blessing to me. Until next week, bye!